You are the director, the creator, and the writer of your story. You literally could do whatever you want. And it's just for you to sit down and navigate where you want to go.
Wax.
Wax is a protectant that you put on vehicles to give it a nice shiny gloss and protect it from scratches.
Can we put it on your car?
We can in a little bit, but... Good morning. Here we are once again.
Hello!
Now, I'm Dad. This is... What's your name? Mia. So, today I went to an event over at 3D of Van Nuys with Rennie Doyle, Oscar Hernandez, Chris Woolman. They were all there.
Apartment.
This is a warehouse. So this is in Big Bear, and this is where they do all the training
That
for
looks like a house for cars.
the Detail Mafia.
Coffee coatings profits.
Yes, so coffee coatings and profits. It was a good opportunity for local detailers to get together and talk about how to improve their business and to make more money for everybody. But
More money?
while I was there, me and Mario were talking. You know Mario, right?
Yes.
Mario.
He has JD.
Yes, yes, JD. Mario suggested we get this for you.
Mm-hmm.
Come here.
Let me just get a brush.
Okay.
So
I was telling Mario, because we had an opportunity to use Absolute rinseless wash. I really like Absolute, and I know you like Absolute too. Mario suggested we use waterless car wash from 3D. Now, I'm not a big 3D person.
I'm not a big one.
You're not a big 3D person either? Now, 3D One is an amazing product. ACA 500 is really good. I do like a lot of their products, but I don't like 3D Speed, and that's what everybody likes is 3D Speed.
I
But
don't like 3D Speed because it's very speedy, breedy, lemonade. Nobody is faster than me.
no, so the reason I don't like Speed is it stains your pads, and it doesn't do what everybody thinks it does, at least in my opinion. I could be wrong, but from every experience I've had with it, it is not the product that everybody thinks it is. But here we go. Waterless car wash. Mario said you would love the smell of this. Are you excited? Mm-hmm. Mario got this for you. Say thank you, Mario.
Thank you, Mario.
All right, you ready to smell it? What do you think? Good? What do you give it?
A plus 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 plus.
What?
Plus.
I don't think you can have that many pluses.
Plus.
You want to see how well it works?
Plus.
Can you spray it on the hood of the car and then wipe it off with your towel?
What is the hood?
Right there on the front, right there. Yeah, right there. All right, that's enough. Now go ahead and wipe it with your towel. Use your other side when you get a good wipe. Flip it over so you can dry it. Is it getting clean? Because it was really dirty right there. What do you think?
Perfect. Let me just spray a little bit more.
Okay, can I try it? I'm going to try it. It does smell really good. It smells very really easy to wipe off. Comes off very well.
It's very shiny.
Very shiny.
More shiny.
And it smells great. It actually really does smell great.
It smells different on the car.
Does it smell good though?
Yep.
All right, come take a seat.
Even though it smells different on the car.
Take a seat.
What does Max work like?
What?
What does Max work like?
Max work like.
Wax.
Oh, we'll talk about that in a second. But for 3D waterless car wash, I like it. I feel like I would go through a lot of it. I would have to buy it by the gallon or the 5-gallon. What do you think?
Light bulb.
Mm-hmm. Do you think this is a product we should use often?
Yes, very often.
Very often? Do you think we should replace Absolute or Optimum No Rinse with this? You know what we put in the IK sprayer to clean?
Uh-huh.
Would you rather use this or O&R?
O&R is good, but it's a little dangerous.
No, not really. O&R is pretty safe. This is pretty safe too. I don't think there's any real issues here or anything like that. But what do you think? Would you rather use this?
Do not eat this.
No, you definitely don't drink it. You don't drink any chemicals. Never drink chemicals. Never get them in your eyes.
Or your mouth.
Yeah, definitely not in your mouth because it tastes nasty.
or your ear.
Yeah, try not to get in any of your parts.
If
And
we
try
get it
to
on
get.
our hand, we have to wipe it on or wash it off.
That's true. That is what you would do. But
Do not keep it on our hands and do not yell.
No. So, are we done? Are we glad everybody joined us to talk about this wireless wash from 3D? Thank you once again. Had a great time at the event today. Had a great time seeing and talking to a bunch of local detailers. And I had a great time trying out waterless car wash from 3D Products, from 3D of Van Nuys. Thank you, Mario 818 Auto Detailing, for getting this for Mia. Mia is going to use this a lot. You gonna clean your Lamborghini? Yeah? Okay. Thank you for joining us. As always, what do we say, Mia? Don't
Like
forget.
and subscribe and click the subscribe button down below and click the like button up below. And make sure to click the subscribe button down below. If you do not know, I'm saying it one more time.
That's right. So, thank you for joining us. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Until then, bye. I would have to buy it by the gallon or the 5 gallon. I'm going to try it. It does smell.